Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today is going to be a little different. Normally I show you guys videos on how to make bows. Today I'm going to be showing you how to take templates that you find on Pinterest and turn them into templates you can use to make bows. So for instance, I have this one here, which I will be linking the Pinterest pin for down below. And as you notice, I just printed it out on regular paper. And I'm going to take this, cut them out, back them up on cardboard, and then they'll be ready to use as templates, much like these. You notice these are on cardboard, and yes, I save cereal boxes and everything else to do this. So I'm going to be showing you how to turn these into these and recycle in the same way. So I'm going to come back after I cut all this out, and then I'll show you guys how to do it. Sorry guys, I totally started cutting out some of them already. My son came home from school and distracted me, and I started cutting some of these out before I realized I was filming a video and had to come back to cut these two out. To cut them out, once you glue them onto cardboard, and as you can see, I just used, they're literally cut up pieces from a Frito-Lay huge pack that we got at the store. I save cardboard. I've got a 2.5 gallon Ziploc bag with cardboard like pieces in it that I do this stuff. So I would recommend saving cereal boxes, things like that for this. You can pretty much take them apart and fold them flat and then just stick them in a bag or a box or something and hold on to them. But once you've glued them down, and all I used to glue them down was just an Elmer's glue stick because I have 50 billion of them. If you're a parent, you will probably have these floating around your house somewhere. Good way to use them up. I just glued them down onto the cardboard, and to cut them out, scissors. And for the more fiddly bits, like right here, I use an X-Acto knife. This is why it's really good to have a mat underneath of you while you're doing it. And like I said, for the fiddly bits, I literally just take an X-Acto knife. You have to go very slowly so that you're cutting straight. At least I do. I'm not good with an X-Acto knife. If I go fast, I make wobbly lines and go where I shouldn't be cutting. So I go slowly, but I cut around the tight corners or the tight insides of these. And then the rest of it is just cut out with scissors. And then you end up with pieces like this that are backed up on cardboard, as you can see. And they are ready to lay down and then trace around onto faux leather, glitter canvas, and everything. So what I'm going to do for my next video is I'm actually going to be doing a video using all of these template pieces that I have cut out and done for you guys. So next week will be the video with this bow, and I will see you guys then. I'm sorry this is a really short video. I just wanted to get this done and get it uploaded for you guys. But honestly, cutting it out is just so easy. You can do this while you're watching TV with the kids. Or you can do it when you're just sitting in your crafting room watching. I do this a lot when I'm watching YouTube videos. I really love watching documentaries. However, this is a really good way to get templates to do some of these bows if you don't have a Cricut or cutting machine, or if you're on a low budget and you just can't afford to buy templates right away. I mean, we've all been there when we started out. We all didn't have the fundage to purchase all of the things. So this is a good resource to have. Plus, I like these, even if I have the Cricut files, I like to have these just in case the power goes out and I want to work. So thank you guys for tuning in for another video. Next week will be a bow featuring these templates. So I will see you then. Bye.